Home Remedies presents.
Put cloves next to you and you won't believe what will happen. If you thought cloves were just a kitchen spice, think again. These tiny powerhouses, along with lavender, can work wonders in your home. From repelling insects to promoting better sleep, cloves and lavender are the ultimate dynamic duo. In this video, we'll show you 3 simple yet effective ways to use these ingredients to solve common household problems. Stick around until the end, you won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. 1. Create a natural insect repellent sachet. Cloves and lavender can combine to make an effective natural insect repellent. How to use. 1. Combine 1 tablespoon of cloves with 1 tablespoon of lavender. 2. Grind them together in a grinder or chop them finely to release their essential oils. 3. Transfer the ground mixture into a bowl. 4. For a more practical solution, fill an empty matchbox with the mixture. Place the sachet next to your pillow, under your mattress, or in any corner of your home. Placement. Lavender's calming aroma promotes relaxation and deep sleep, while cloves act as a natural repellent for ants, mosquitoes, mites, fleas, and bedbugs. Together, they create a peaceful, insect-free environment. 2. Make a DIY insect-repelling spray. Turn your clove and lavender mixture into a spray to keep pests at bay. How to use. 1. Mix the ground ingredients with half a liter of warm water. 2. Let the mixture steep for a couple of hours to allow the water to absorb the essential oils. 3. Strain the mixture through gauze or a fine sieve to remove solid particles. 4. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Application. Use this spray around your home, garden, or yard. It will repel insects, deter mice, and even keep neighborhood cats from trespassing. 3. Enhance your sleep and relaxation. Cloves and lavender can also help you sleep better. How to use. 1. Place the sachet or a small bowl of the clove and lavender mixture near your bed or under your pillow. Benefits. The soothing aroma creates a serene atmosphere, helping you drift off into a deep, uninterrupted sleep. Say goodbye to restless nights and wake up refreshed. Why these ingredients work so well. Lavender, known for its relaxing and anti-anxiety effects, lavender is a natural sleep aid. Its pleasant scent also helps mask odors, making it perfect for freshening up your home. Cloves, packed with eugenol, a compound that acts as a natural insect repellent. Cloves also have antimicrobial properties, making them great for purifying the air. But also keeps your home free from unwanted pests. Final thoughts. Who knew that something as simple as cloves and lavender could have such a profound impact on your home and well-being? From repelling insects to promoting better sleep, these natural remedies are easy to make, affordable, and incredibly effective. Give these tips a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Your home will smell amazing, your sleep will improve, and you'll finally say goodbye to those annoying pests.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.